Hello, welcome once again. Today we are looking at square roots. In our previous lecture, we made mention of what? Square numbers, which we are going to use in our square root today. If I have 100, if I give you the number 100, let me ask, what number can we square to get 100? 10. Very good. So you realize that when we multiply 10 times 10, which is 10 squared, we are getting what? 100. Today we are talking about square roots, and mostly the symbol we use is this to represent what? Square roots. So that if you are asked to find the square root of a number, let me use the same 100, what it means is we are looking for a number that when we multiply by itself, a positive number, that when we multiply by itself, we will get what? 100. So you ask yourself, what number will I multiply by itself to get 100? That was the 10. So it means you have something like this, 10 times 10. Which is going to give me what? 100. It means that the square root of 100 is what? 10. The square root of 100 is 10. Another example, let me take the square root of 81. We are still looking at positive numbers. You ask yourself, which number will I multiply by itself to get 81? That number becomes what? The result of the square root of what? 81. You realize that 9 times 9 is going to give me what? 81. Meaning that the square root of 81 is 9. Normally, we say the square root, if I write the square root of 81, what it implies is that it is exponents, or the index is what? 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 is the same as this. So that if I'm looking for a number when I multiply by itself, I get 81, which is 9 squared, which will give me 81, exponent what? 1 over 2. Let's solve the exponential part. You realize that 2 can cancel 2 to get 1. So I have 9 raised to the power what? 1, which is equal to what? 9. Which is equal to what? 9. So basically, that is square root. The square root of a number multiplied by itself gives what? The number. So that if I have the square root of a number 2 multiplied by itself 2, I still get the same result as what? 2. That is what it means. So that's another example. The square root of 3 times the square root of 3 will give us what? 3. Will give us what? 3. How about if it is a fraction? What do I do? If it's a fraction, if I have square root of 25 over 49, I can still write it as square root of 25 over square root of what? 49. Now the question is, which number will I multiply by itself to give me 25? That is what? 5. Then, which number will I multiply by itself to give me 49? That is 7. 7 times 7. So the square root of 49 is what? 7. This then becomes what? Our results. Now let's look at it. If I have a mixed fraction, which is 1/7/9, if I want to find the square root of a mixed fraction, we are saying it is appropriate to convert your mixed fraction to an improper what? Fraction. Then you solve. So what do we have? 9 times 1 is 9, plus 7 will give us 16. So I have square root of what? 16/9, which is what? Square root of 16 over square root of 9. What do we get? What number will we multiply by itself to get 16? Very good. That is what? 4. Then this square root of 9 is going to be what? 3. 3. Let me give you another example for you to try. So try this. Give me your results under the comment section. So I have square root of 1 over one whole number, 9/16. Then square roots, try this again. This is 1, this is 2. Try this. 1764, 1764. Kindly give your results under the comments section. Thank you for joining us. Bye.